People diagnosed with chronic kidney disease have kidneys that can no longer function properly and require dialysis or a kidney transplant to survive. This can be a frightening diagnosis, especially for people in sub-Saharan Africa, where it is estimated that 88% of people with this diagnosis pass away within just 3 months of their initial treatment. And oftentimes, transplants in these developing countries are not even available or are too expensive, so dialysis becomes the only option. There are 2 methods of dialysis. There's hemodialysis, commonly known as HD, and peritoneal dialysis, commonly known as PD. Now, in some countries such as Nigeria, HD is only available, and this requires expensive machines as well as very expensive imported materials. Therefore, our research team is pushing for peritoneal dialysis, or PD. PD utilizes a natural membrane inside the abdomen, and by adding fluid into it, it can exchange and clear out the toxins from the blood. However, in some developing countries, this is just not available. So our research team is working on developing a device that can create that fluid locally to reduce the import cost and to hopefully increase access by lowering the cost of dialysis in general. In order to do that, our device must contain 3 different modules. We have to create the water for injection, we have to mix those solutes with water, and we have to bag that solution, all without a clean room that we could use here in the US, as well as by just reducing the overall cost and not using expensive testing materials and equipments and computers. My specific research is on that mixing module, where I'm trying to verify what you're mixing is proper and correct without that expensive computer and expensive sensors in order to reduce the cost. So I plan on using low-cost sensors that can measure the conductivity, and I'm working on that correlation to see, can it be fully mixed and is that safe to go into the human body? Ultimately, we feel that this push for PD and a localized, low-cost production of PD fluid can greatly increase the lives of people that are affected by this horrible disease. Thank you.